In this video, I will show you how to help protect your WHMCS-based business from fraud using FraudRecord. FraudRecord is a free fraud reporting service used by thousands of companies. It allows you to check if a client has been reported for fraud in the past by checking their name, email, address, IP, PayPal account, and more. There is also the option to pay this service forward by reporting any fraudulent orders you receive. It is a community-driven project where WHMCS-based companies look out for each other. There is no reason not to make use of this free module as it adds an extra layer of protection to your company. The first step is to create your free account by visiting FraudRecord.com and clicking on the free sign up button. It is recommended to sign up using a domain-based email, as FraudRecord will verify accounts to ensure that you are the owner of your company. Log into your FraudRecord account and visit the My Reporter Profiles page under the Report Manager menu. Click on the Add New button. Fill out the form including your company name and website. Make a note of the API code as this is required for the configuration with WHMCS. Assuming you used a domain-based email for your account, you can leave the Proof of Ownership field blank. Visit the Billing Integration page under the Resources menu. Scroll down to WHMCS Integration and click on the Download WHMCS module. Extract the zip to your desktop. The zip contains the FraudRecord WHMCS module, which handles the integration between WHMCS and your FraudRecord account. It will allow you to view and submit reports directly from your WHMCS admin area. Log into your hosting account using an FTP client and open your root WHMCS directory. For your local files, open the FraudRecord-WHMCS directory. Next, access the modules directory and then add-ons. Upload the FraudRecord directory to WHMCS. Log into your WHMCS admin area and open the System Settings. Next, click on the Add-on Modules button. Find the FraudRecord module and click on the Activate button to the right. Next, click on the Configure button and add the API code that you got from your FraudRecord profile. Check the Full Administrator option under Access Control and then save. Your WHMCS website can now make use of FraudRecord's free reporting service. You can access FraudRecord within the Add-ons menu of WHMCS. On this page you will see all of your clients who have completed orders. We recommend verifying each order manually. Check in their fraud points to see if there's been any previous reports. Here is an example of a client who is committing constant fraud. It's these sorts of orders that make FraudRecord well worth using. If a client has this level of fraud reports, it is better to refund the order and terminate the account. This will stop the high risk of a chargeback, which usually comes with a fee. You can also report clients on this same page. This video is brought to you by Xomex. At Xomex, we have been providing premium WHMCS themes and configuration services since 2009. You can view our full range of themes and services in the description below. Save 10% on your next order using the coupon code YouTube. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to ensure that you are notified of new videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider making a small donation to the channel via the description of this video. Donations are much appreciated and will allow us to increase the quality and frequency of videos.